What's up, YouTube? Got the on the charger. And some zero gauge. Let's see here. Where is it at? Right there. Zero gauge. Standard zero gauge. And that's what all this is. So, zero gauge for the motherfucking win, niggas. Alright. Battery. Spare battery is gonna go right here. Once I get it all charged up to replace the little baby capacitor for right now. No, that's only a no, it's a 2 farad cap. It's a Tsunami. Can't see it. Tsunami 2 farad cap. I got it for free in a trade with a bunch of other shit I bought, you know, so I couldn't really bitch. Now I got no money into it. Let's see here. I've already got the diameter and everything marked up on a piece of paper on what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna take the piece of wood I've got to make the battery, and I'm actually gonna make a battery holder itself just out of some cheap like solder's press wood. Ain't no MDF or nothing, you know, nothing special. There's the empty space we're working with. That's gonna be my ground right there. And there's the piece of wood I'm gonna use. Got a few other pieces I can cut up and make it work. I went over this yesterday. Duralast Professional brand. Cranking amps at 32 degrees Fahrenheit is 900. The cold cranking amps is what is most important. Is 720 cold cranks. Kind of hard to see, but as you can see, that will fit perfect right there. So, I have my battery box built around it. So the only thing exposed is the top of the battery. Run the zero gauge right to there, ground right to there. Very, very simple. Right now, sitting still. It's upside down to you guys. Well, let's flip the camera around. There you go. Resting voltage is 13.2 right now. Single battery, stock alt. So what I'm gonna do is, I'd like to keep this for a reference for a voltage meter. Because the only voltage meter I have right now is the shitty one up front on the dash up there, and that just don't cut it. I might mount that to the outside of it. I don't know. Chain link them together. Still haven't figured it out yet. But anyways, this is just a quick update vid. Let you guys know where I'm at, and we'll go from there.